Hi everyone, today I will be presenting the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The two main plates that were involved were the Northern American and the Eurasian plates. It was formed by the divergent motion which extended into the South American and African plates. The physical Earth features that were formed were volcanoes and islands, which we can see here. Here we can see that the plates moved away from each other, forcing the lava from the mantle to go through the crust up to the surface. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge separates at a rate of about 0.02 meters per year, which means that North America and Europe move away from each other at the rate it takes for our fingernails to grow. According to Ian Kenyon and Peter Loader, as the mantle rises towards the surface below the ridge, the pressure is lowered and the hot rock starts to melt. Some geological disasters that occur are earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. These don't happen very often at all. When they do, it's about every 100 years or so. For earthquakes, they are small ones. There is very little volcanism, and tsunamis are the least frequent out of the three. According to the Natural Hazards website, the most recent earthquakes happen around Iran, Afghanistan, Turkey, India, China, and Pakistan. The active volcanoes are isolated to Iceland, Italy, and the Mediterranean Sea. Tsunamis are the least frequent, but the one that happened in 2004 was very disastrous. Here is an image of the aftermath. Thank you.